Industry 4.0, also known as the Fourth Industrial Revolution, refers to the integration of advanced technologies such as the Internet of Things, artificial intelligence, and big data analytics into the manufacturing process. This integration is expected to lead to a more efficient, flexible, and autonomous manufacturing process with the ultimate goal of creating smart factories. One of the key technologies driving Industry 4.0 is the Internet of Things. The IoT refers to the interconnectedness of physical devices such as machines and sensors through the Internet. In the context of Industry 4.0, IoT devices can be used to collect data from the manufacturing process, allowing for real-time monitoring and control of the production process. Another key technology driving Industry 4.0 is artificial intelligence. AI can be used to analyze the data collected by IoT devices and make decisions based on that data, such as adjusting the production process to optimize efficiency. AI can also be used to perform tasks such as predictive maintenance, which can help to reduce downtime and increase the overall productivity of the manufacturing process. Big data analytics is also a key technology driving Industry 4.0. By collecting and analyzing large amounts of data from the manufacturing process, companies can gain insights into how to improve their production process. This can lead to increased efficiency, reduced costs, and improved product quality. Industry 4.0 is also expected to lead to a more autonomous manufacturing process with the use of technologies such as robotics and 3D printing. Robotics can be used to perform tasks that are dangerous or physically demanding for humans, while 3D printing can be used to create complex parts and prototypes quickly and at a lower cost. Some of the benefits of Industry 4.0 include increased efficiency, improved product quality, and reduced costs. Industry 4.0 can also lead to a more flexible manufacturing process, allowing companies to quickly adapt to changes in demand or market conditions. Additionally, Industry 4.0 can also lead to the creation of new business models and revenue streams. However, the adoption of Industry 4.0 is not without its challenges. One of the major challenges is the cost of implementing these technologies, as well as the lack of skilled workforce to operate and maintain them. Additionally, there are also concerns about data security and privacy. In conclusion, Industry 4.0, also known as the Fourth Industrial Revolution, refers to the integration of advanced technologies such as the Internet of Things, artificial intelligence, and big data analytics into the manufacturing process. This integration is expected to lead to a more efficient, flexible, and autonomous manufacturing process with the ultimate goal of creating smart factories. While it can bring great benefits, the adoption of Industry 4.0 also comes with its own set of challenges such as cost, lack of skilled workforce, data security, and privacy.